Hello viewers, I hope you people are fine. Today I will tell you about how to change present continuous tense into passive voice. So let's come towards our topic. Here present continuous tense change into passive voice. In present continuous tense sentences are there, we will change these sentences into passive voice. So they are writing a letter. Now they is our subject and are is our helping verb and writing is our first form verb with ing and I is our article and later is our object. Now before I told you people some rules of passive voice. Now come to the words passive voice sentence. They are writing a letter. A letter is being written by them. In present continuous tense sentence, we will not change the helping verbs. Just we will change the we'll change here. We will look here a singular thing. Now object is singular. Letter is letter is singular. We wrote is, and a letter is being. We cannot change helping verb. The tense is the same. Just we will write here after helping verb being. A letter is being written by them. This was our first sentence, and the second sentence is there. He is drinking water. Water is being drunk by him. I will write here another sentence for you people. For example, she is cooking food. Now helping passive voice sentence is there. Food is being cooked by her. Cooked by her. Now this is our passive voice. She is cooking food. Food is being cooked by her. Now for example, I will tell you subject change into object. Object change into subject. We always use third form verb in our passive voice. After third form verb, we always use by in our passive voice, and we will change the tenses. Before I told you we cannot change present continuous tense. Just we'll change the being. We will write here being. After helping verb in passive voice sentence in continuous tenses, we will write being. After, for example, food is being cooked by her. So this was our present continuous tense. If you people have any question, just tell me in comment box.